Birthday mo pala ngayon. Happy birthday.
Hi, Tita Sita. Happy birthday. I wish you good health po and more blessings to come. Enjoy your special day. Happy birthday again.
Hello, good morning, Nanay. I just want to say happy birthday and hope you had a wonderful day. And thank you for the support and blessing that you have given us, that have been supporting us till this day. And once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nanay! Wish lang namin is good health lagi kayo ni Tatay, and then enjoy nyo lang yung life, diba? Kasi, diba, ang daming stress, so wag nang intindihin yun. So, ano lang, enjoy and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nanay Rosie! Thanks sa lahat ng mga blessing yung binibigay mo po sa amin at saka sa aming paglaki sa aming magkakapatid at sa aking mga anak sumusuport sa amin. Maraming salamat po na sa blessing lalo na sa pag-aalaga sa amin. Ngayon nandiyan ka kay Sai na tinutulungan mo rin siya na alagaan yung mga apo mo, at salamat din na maging help ka pa sa iyong mga kalusugan. Ay happy birthday pati rin kay Tatay. Mag-ingat din siya diyan din sa kalusugan niya. Ay happy birthday po.
Hello, Nay. We just want to greet you a happy birthday. And we're just glad that we're here to make a greetings video to you. And always your love is the heart of our home. Your strength is the light that guide to us. And thank you for every sacrifices that you made to us, and also for the wisdom that you always taught to us.
Once again, Nanay, happy birthday. We wish you a wonderful birthday with more blessings to come.